Welcome to Magnuson Grand Sebring North, budget-friendly hotel conveniently located near US Highway 27 North and close to Sun and Lake Preserve and Highlands Hammock State Park. Through your stay with us, you can expect low rates with great service. We offer free Wi-Fi, free parking, a 24-hour front desk, and daily housekeeping. Each of your rooms includes amenities such as a hair dryer, air conditioning, microwave, refrigerator, flat-screen TV, and more. The Magnuson Grand Sebring North is an affordable option among Winter Haven's Gilbert Airport hotels. Other area attractions includes Highlands Hammock State Park, Sebring Raceway, Sun and Lake Golf Club Sebring, and Veterans Beach. No matter how many nights you stay, we are pleased to accommodate you. To book, visit www.inatsebringnorth.com.